Well, here we are down south. This is the second build project we got going. This is our holiday home. So yeah, we bought the land, must have been about 6 or 7 years ago, then put up a fence around the boundary, and then we had to backfill it. So we backfilled all the land, built that up, and then we let it settle, so it'll sit for about 2 or 3 years. So yeah, all right. Have a bit of a look. Still a construction site. So this will be the carport down here. This will be all cement, purely because of the amount of rain that you get here. But yeah, be able to fit a few bikes, a few cars here. If we walk down the back, we'll start at the back. So we're putting an outside kitchen. So this is a 2-bedroom, 1 bathroom, kitchen, and an outdoor kitchen. So this is where the outdoor kitchen will go. This will be all cement floor. We've got the septics in. So what we've done is, because I've got a bit of a projects manager here, we've got shower septic out over there, toilet here, and then we've got the kitchen sink, which will run out over here. Rear entry, step up, sliding door. So this will be the indoor kitchen, still not finished. Got some light fittings. Bathroom still not complete. We've got the toilet and cistern all ready to go. But typical Thai build. Sliding door separates the kitchen from the living area. Keep out the lovely smells. But yeah, got an outdoor kitchen for the Thai cooking. Main bedroom. So, pretty basic. But these rooms will have an air conditioner in each room. Yeah, boys are still working. There's the second bedroom. It'll have an aircon up there. So tile works pretty good, which I like. But like I said, it's a Thai build, Thai style. Lounge room. Crazy weather. Bloody hell. Like a bloody river.